and I'm the Product Marketing Director for Peterbilt. Today we're in Denton, Texas with the bold new Model 579 to highlight some of its key characteristics and features. The interior of the new Model 579 is quiet, comfortable, and ergonomic with excellent visibility. We offer 3 interior trim levels: Prestige, Premier, and Platinum. All 3 are available in sterling gray. The Platinum level has a saddle tan option with dark brown accents. Updated Platinum interiors have a more luxurious wood grain. Dark dash and door pad uppers, as well as kick panels, are included in all trim levels for reduced glare and a sleek appearance. The most notable change in the cab, and a very exciting one, the high-tech 15-inch digital display is the largest in the industry. It is the result of over 100 interviews and user tests with drivers, techs, safety managers, and maintenance managers in applications ranging from over-the-road sleepers, LTL day cabs, and even vocational applications such as tankers and aggregate haulers. The display allows the drivers to see the information they need to see when they need to see it. Front and center are the typical gauges: speedo, tach, water temperature, oil pressure, air pressure, and fuel and depth. Additional digital gauges along the outside provide information typically housed on the B panel. This eliminates the need for round gauges, although they are still available. Using the scroll wheel on the steering wheel allows the driver to choose how much information they want to see. Customization is built right into the display with a favorite screen, allowing a driver or fleet to customize the gauge layout for their application. Also, the Omni button can be assigned to frequently used functions, such as a digital RPM. If the driver needs to be informed of something, regardless of whether it's on the screen or not, the display highlights that gauge and clearly communicates the status. The display works in concert with driver assistance features, such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and the new lane keeping assist system, which uses inputs from the standard collision mitigation system to help the driver keep the truck between the lines, utilizing an electric motor mounted on the steering column inside the cab, where it is protected from the elements. The electric motor also reduces the effort to turn the wheel, particularly helpful when lining up a trailer or maneuvering at a terminal. In addition to display interaction, the steering wheel controls feature audio and phone functions on the right. The buttons on the left are for cruise control, road speed limiter, and trip. The toggle adjusts predictive cruise settings, as well as following distance for adaptive cruise. The new switches are wider for improved legibility and can be used as a toggle or a rocker. B-panel options include the smart nav shown here, up to 6 round gauges, additional storage, a reconfigurable panel, or a RAM mount for aftermarket devices, made easier with 2 RP1226 connectors and pass-throughs. The cup holder provides extra storage, room for large cups, and plenty of knee room. Various combinations of 12-volt, USB, and lighter outlets are also available. The 80-inch ultra-loft sleeper continues to be the driver's favorite, with 70 cubic feet of storage, 8 feet of headroom, the largest mattresses in its class, and clever stowaway ladder. New on Platinum trim levels, the back wall pad is now two-tone and wood trim updated to match the dash. The integrated PACCAR powertrain with efficient and durable MX engines, lightweight PACCAR 12-speed transmission, and hyper-efficient PACCAR 40K rear axle is ideal for on-highway applications. The PX9 and X15 engines are also available, as well as natural gas options. And remember, every Peterbilt Class 8 truck comes standard with a 2-year SmartLink subscription, including remote diagnostics and over-the-air software updates for the MX engine. The chassis is 15% stiffer, featuring lightweight aluminum crossmembers, front axle and suspension ratings from 12K to 14.6, and Peterbilt proprietary rear suspensions. The lightweight Flex Air, versatile low air leaf, and rugged air track, among other offerings. At Peterbilt, we take pride in driving uptime every single day for our customers' business. When it comes to premium performance and efficiency, the new Peterbilt Model 579 is your truck of choice. Model 579 is the most technologically advanced and fuel-efficient Peterbilt ever, achieving up to 7% fuel savings thanks to next-generation MX-13 engine with state-of-the-art predictive cruise control and the all-new Epic Max package. Also, the driver environment is more than 10% quieter due to smoother engine operation, a crank-mounted fan, an engine-mounted air cleaner, and acoustically tuned engine mounts. Our engineers have worked tirelessly to drive uptime into this truck, starting with understanding our customers' operations firsthand and then integrating their input into first-class designs, which were then subjected to million-mile endurance tests and extensive field validation. Starting up front, the new hood and bumper maximize aerodynamic performance with a bolder, stronger look, while retaining that signature Peterbilt class. The bright crown, stainless steel grille sheet and 3 bars, as well as fender valleys and low fenders, make this truck immediately recognizable as a Peterbilt and a 579. The crown is lowered 2.5 inches and narrowed 8 inches, improving aerodynamics as well as visibility, enabling the driver to see about 12 more inches of the ground in front of the truck. The 3-piece Metton hood is lightweight, serviceable, and impact resistant. This truck is equipped with a painted, molded bumper and integrated radar cover. Other bumper options, such as mold and color and steel, both chrome and painted, are available. All bumpers are multi-piece for repairability. Below the bumper is an all-new fairing, improving aerodynamics and maintaining ground clearance for items such as oil pits. A key technology improvement is the forward lighting. The industry-leading LED headlamps have superior light coverage and uniformity, providing drivers an excellent view of the road while reducing eye fatigue. Every LED headlamp includes infrared heaters to keep the lens clear in bad weather. An industry first and Peterbilt exclusive is the custom 3-function LED lamp in the bumper. It has a fog light function for near field view as well as a driving light designed to complement the high beams. The third function is a cornering light, which illuminates with the turn signal. The bright bezel on the hood echoes the shape of the bird on the top of the crown. The aerodynamic wheel well closeouts are robust, flexible, and easy to service. The advanced aero mirrors, available with integrated camera system, are cab mounted to improve routings. The sculpted mirror head is optimized to ensure drivers can see the top of a trailer while backing. The optional factory-installed camera system provides a clear view of the road behind the truck and along the passenger side in all conditions with multiple views, automatic trailer tracking, and night vision. The fairing along the A-pillar directs air across the side of the cab, improving aerodynamics and quieting wind noise. The chassis fairings and closeouts are all new as well. A real highlight is the tool-free tip-out and removal. This provides great access to batteries, fuel tanks, APUs, and the aftertreatment system. Completing the exterior are the rear tandem fairings, designed specifically to complement the new chassis fairings and constructed from a robust material to withstand road debris.
What a fantastic looking truck. I hope you agree. As I mentioned, the new Model 579 has unmistakably bold Peterbilt styling. It features a new and more aerodynamic hood, new best-in-class headlights with optional LED headlights. It has an innovative multi-piece bumper that integrates the forward radar cover for collision mitigation and advanced driver assistance systems. The side mirrors are much more aerodynamic, and the redesigned and reimagined chassis fairings tip out for excellent serviceability. And optional rear fairings are also available to further enhance aerodynamic efficiency. For an even better appreciation of the differences between the current Model 579 and the new Model 579, take a look at the screen as the current Model 579 changes into the new Model 579. Quite a difference. Now let's do that one more time. I want you to pay special attention to what happens with the crown and the width of the grille. I hope you can appreciate when you see that the extent of the aerodynamic improvements. Those improvements will deliver up to a 7% fuel economy gain on a like-for-like basis for a line haul sleeper application compared to a current Model 579. I want to repeat that. An up to 7% fuel economy improvement on a like-for-like spec basis. This is not funny math, where you start with a truck with no aero features and then add the aero features and then you get to the 7%. No, we're talking 7% apples to apples. So let me provide an example. If you spec a current Model 579 Ultraloft with an MX engine, full chassis fairings, and then you spec a new Model 579 Ultraloft with an MX engine and full chassis fairings, you will see up to 7% of fuel economy improvement at a diesel cost of $2.50 a gallon and driving 100,000 miles per year. That translates into an annual savings of $2,000. Now that will total up to $8,000 over an average 4-year trade cycle. A fantastic achievement for a truck that looks this great, and an incredible amount of savings over the life of the product. Next, we will get up close with the new Model 579 and see some of the exterior details and features and benefits. For that, I will welcome Scott Newhouse, Peterbilt Chief Engineer.
Thank you, Jason. Peterbilt's new Model 579 maintained the great qualities that make it a Peterbilt, like the high quality finish and durability of the cab, interior, and chassis, and the stainless steel grille that provides maximum protection for the cooling module and engine compartment, but also provides many great new features that further improves fuel economy, operational efficiency, and the driver experience. The new 579 hood is a durable 3-piece design constructed out of Metton, which is greater resistance to impact, reducing the opportunity for fender damage and reducing the cost of ownership. For aerodynamics, we lowered the top of the hood as well as narrowed the hood to improve the airflow over the top and around the sides of the vehicle. Those aerodynamic improvements were also incorporated into the bumper and the lower air dams. The bumper is a durable 3-piece design with an integrated radar cover, providing a high quality appearance as well as improving the airflow around the front of the vehicle. The Model 579 has best-in-class LED headlamps with excellent light down the road as well as light distribution and uniformity for reduced driver fatigue. Infrared heaters, it ensures ice and snow don't collect on the headlamps. And as you can see, it has a very distinct LED daytime running light, so you know it's a Peterbilt when it's driving down the road. The lights in the bumper provide 3 functions: fog lamps, driving lamps, and cornering lamps. They automatically turn on with the turn signal in low light conditions, providing excellent light to both corners of the truck to help further ensure no accidents. The airflow is enhanced off the windshield with the new aerodynamic A-pillar vanes, further improving fuel economy without impacting visibility. And the new aerodynamic cab mirrors also improve fuel economy and provide great visibility down the side of the tractor and trailer. They also house cameras for our new digital camera vision system. We will also continue to offer our full height aerodynamic cab mirrors for customers who prefer that option. The chassis fairings have been redesigned for fuel efficiency, but still maintaining great entry and exit out of the cab. And their tip-out features make it very easy to access batteries as well as fuel tanks and APUs. They're easily removed for great access under the truck for serviceability. In addition to these features that you can see, the Model 579 also has a newly designed front chassis and powertrain, reducing noise in the cab by 10% and providing the driver with additional control and comfort as it's driving down the road. 579 also has new safety features, including enhanced adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist features, making the 579 the most efficient, most comfortable, most safe vehicle on the road. Thank you. Now back to Jason.
Thank you, Scott. The amazing exterior features of the new Model 579 are just part of the story. Moving to the interior, driver comfort, both behind the wheel and inside the sleeper, is greatly enhanced. Truck drivers across North America are the heroes of the road. Their cargo is our economy on wheels. We owe them a huge thank you every day for what they do, and they deserve maximum comfort and ease of use. The interior of the new Model 579 has been updated with richer colors and new, more luxurious optional wood trim. More importantly, Peterbilt is introducing a new 15-inch digital display, the largest in its class. This becomes the focal point for driver information, minimizing distractions while driving. Many of the customers that participated in testing pre-production trucks had very high praise for the digital display you just saw. Today, we are also announcing that every conventional Class 8 Peterbilt truck will incorporate this great new digital display. This includes the vocational Model 567 and traditional Model 389, and the rest of the Peterbilt Class 8 conventional trucks.